students had to go and create a materials handling system to be able to get material from the hop-on through to the scale in the quickest and most efficient way possible. We were excited to see what the results were going to be. This is something that we've never undertaken before, and so we were learning through the process as well.
Every single teacher that heard that we had a project for Mechwest was going like, this would be a good opportunity that you can show what you can do.
They were saying it should give us huge experience because we'll get the chance just to see how things really are, in this particular field.
Some of the areas that you learn in Tafe were not necessarily related directly to the market in WA. They were a little bit more broad. The project that we worked with Tafe to develop, I think that was more suited to the WA mining industry.
Industry experience is priceless, and it's something that they can't replicate in their Tafe. So being able to partner with companies like Mechwest allows them to be able to give students those opportunities.
I was really motivated, hoping to impress people at Mechwest. Because at the end of the day, we could have stuck to aluminum plates, drilled holes in them, and then put a conveyor to it and just be done with it. But we really wanted to just stick to our idea of what a conveyor belt is.
It was unbelievable. They had learned and they had grown through the process. They had taken the advice of the team. It was amazing to see that.
Everyone that made something that day was really passionate about producing the best project that they could. It was like a proud father moment.
When we tested and it was so efficient, we were so happy. It was challenging, and then you kind of like, you make it work.
That moment that realization hit, and they were like, oh yeah, I get it. They'd come in, they were open to learning, they were open to listening and asked lots of questions.
It's very important to work on projects like that because it gives you unforgettable experience, and this is a skill I think that every engineer should have.
They could come and talk to lots of different people in the company and hear all about their careers and how it started, and a lot of them thought, yeah, that's definitely something I'd like to get into.
If I had been given the same opportunity as those students, I would have felt very empowered. I would have felt that I've been honestly given an opportunity to really understand how actually business and drafting and engineering companies actually work.
Coming here and listening to people describe their job and how they do it is actually really eye-opening. It gives you an insight into if you really want this job or not.
It was interesting to see how passionate our team was, being able to share some of their knowledge and experience, and it just solidified how strong our Mechwest culture is here, to be able to help one another to learn and grow.
I would love to do this project again. It's just about improving the next generation that will be involved in mining.
It's been such an important part, I guess, of Mechwest history now, and I feel like we have more to give. We're training the next generation to be able to take over and do better than what we're doing today. It's easy when you've got a good team around you.